Hi students, how are you? I hope all of you very well. Today we are going to take the topic expanding brackets. Let us learn how to use the expanding brackets with the help of some examples. First example, take the number 7 multiply 109. Here in this number we breaking 109, that is 109 we have to split as 100 plus 9. First example, 7 multiplied by 109. In this problem, we need break this number, that is 109. How we can break this number? 109 equal 100 plus 9. There is no need of split these numbers, that is 7. Here we want only breaking this number as 109, that is 100 plus 9. So we write 7 multiply in the place of 109. Now we write 100 plus 9. Now we get 7 multiplied by 100 plus 9. Actually it is a property, that is the distributive property. In this property we have to study. We will study next classes. So how we can multiply this number? First we multiply 7 multiplied by 100 and put these two numbers inside the bracket, plus next we multiply which number? Yes, next we multiply 7 and 9. Then 7 multiply 9. Then also we put bracket. First we multiply 7 multiply 100. Then write 7 multiply 100. Our symbol, here our symbol is adding symbol, that is plus sign. So we write plus. Then next we multiply 7 multiplied 9. Then 7 multiply 100. 7 multiply 100. First we write the number 7. Then put 20. That is 7 multiply 100 equal 700 plus 7 9s are 63. So adding these numbers, 700 plus 63 equal 763. Once again I explain, 7 multiply 109, that is our question. In this number we want only breaking the number as 109. 109 means 100 plus 9. So in the place of 109, now we write the number 100 plus 9. So 7 multiply 100 plus 9. These numbers we have to put inside the bracket. Then next we multiply 7 multiply by 100. Okay, 7 multiply 100 and put bracket. Then our symbol is plus sign, so write plus. And next multiply the number 7 and 9. So 7 multiply 9. Then also inside these, also put in these numbers inside the bracket. Therefore 7 multiply 100 equal 700 and 7 9s are 63. So adding these numbers, 700 plus 63 equal 763. Okay. Second example, 102 multiplied 103. These two numbers are splitting, that is 102 equal 100 plus 2 and 103 equal 100 plus 3. So write 102 equal 100 plus 2 and 103 equal 100 plus 3. In the place of 102, now we write 100 plus 2, then 100 plus 2, multiply next number 103, that is 100 plus 3. This is another property. So first we multiply which numbers? First we multiply 100 and 100. Okay, then second we multiply 100 and 3. Third number multiply, first we multiply 100 and 100. Second multiply 100 and 3. Third multiply 2 and 100 and last multiply 2 and 3. Okay, first we multiply 100 and 100. That is 100 multiply 100 then put plus sign. Okay, here we have the plus sign, so we write plus sign here. Next to multiply 103. 100 multiply 3, and also putting 1 plus sign. Next we multiply 2 and 100, that is 2 multiply by 100, then plus. Next we want 2 multiplied by 3. First we multiply 100 and 100, second multiply 100 and 3, third multiply 2 and 100, last multiply 2 and 3. Then 100 multiply 100, how many zeros here? Here 2 0 and here also 2 0, so we want 4 0. Then plus. Next 100 multiplied by 3 equal 300. Then plus 2 into 100 equal 200. Then 200 plus. Next 2 3s are, yes, 6. So write 6. Now we get the number as 10,000 plus 300 plus 200 plus 6. So we adding these numbers, that is 10,000 plus 300 plus 200 plus 6. Then 0 plus 0 plus 0, 6. Then 6. Then again 0. 3 plus 2 equal 5. Then 0. Next number is 1. Now we get the answer 10,506. Then write 10,506. Once again I explain, our question is 102 multiply 103. Then 102, that is we want to split that number, that is 102 equal 100 plus 2. Next our number is 103. So again we have to splitting, then that is 100 plus 3. In the place of 102, now we write 100 plus 2. In the place of 103, now we write 100 plus 3. Then we multiply 100 and 100. Okay, then write 100 multiply 100, then putting plus sign, that number inside our bracket. Second number is 103, that is writing 100 multiply by 3, then also put the bracket, then plus sign. Next we want to multiply 2 and 100, so 2 multiply by 100, then put inside the bracket, plus next number is 2 and 3, so write 2 multiplied by 3 and also inside the bracket. Okay, all of you understood how we can take this number. First multiply 100, then second multiply 103, third multiply 200, and next multiply 2 and 3. All these numbers inside our bracket. First we take the first bracket, that is 100 into 100. We know that 1 ones are 1, then write first 1, then how many zeros here? Here 2 0 and here also 2 0, so we put 4 0, plus then 103. 100 multiplied by 3 equal 300. Then next is 2 into 100 equal 200, plus last is 2 3s are 6. Adding these numbers together, then we get the answer 10,506. Okay. Next example. 17 multiply 109. Here we given the numbers are 17 and 109. So here we want splitting both two numbers, that is 17 and 109. We know that 17. How we can splitting 17? How we can splitting 17? Yes, 17 equal 10 plus 7. Then write 10 plus 7. Then next our number is 109. Okay, how we can splitting 109? Yes, 109 equal 100 plus 9. Then write 100 plus 9. Then write in the place of 17, now we write the number 10 plus 7. Then we put multiplication sign. In the place of 109, now we write the number 100 plus 9. Then write 100 plus 9. Then first we do which numbers we have to multiply. Yes, in the second problem the same method, that is the second problem. First multiply these two numbers, then multiply these two numbers, then these two numbers, and last multiply these two numbers. The same way here, first multiply which numbers? 10 and 100. Okay, first multiply 10 and 100, then second multiply 10 and 9. Okay, first multiply 10 and 100, second multiply 10 and 9. Then third we multiply the number 7 and 100, and last we take the number, yes, 7 and 9. Okay, first multiply 10 and 100, then multiply 10 and 9. Third number we multiply 7 and 100, last multiply 7, 9. Okay, then write these numbers. Our first number is 10 multiplied by 100. Then first multiply the number 10 and 100, then 10 multiply 100 and put brackets, then plus. Next is 10 and 9, then write 10 multiply 9, then plus. Next is 7 and 100, then write 7 multiplied by 100. Then last is, yes, 7 and 9. Then write the number 7 and 9. Then 10 into 100. Then first write 1, and how many zeros here? There are 3 zeros, so we put 3 0. Then 10 nines are 90 plus 7 into 100 equal, yes, 700. Then 700 plus last is 7 nines are 63. Then write the number 63. Then we adding these four numbers, that is 1000 plus 700 plus 90 plus 63. Then 3, 9 plus 6 equal 15, 5, 1 balance, 7 plus 1 equal 8 and balance 1. Then we get the answer as 1853. Once again I explain this problem. Our number is 17 and 109. 17 means how we can splitting 17. 17 equal 10 plus 7 and 109 equal 100 plus 9. In the place of 17 now we write 10 plus 7 and 109 equal 100 plus 9. Actually this is another property we will study in our next classes. Now we just doing how we can multiply and adding these numbers. That's only we needed. So first we multiply 10 and 100. That is 10 multiplied by 100. Next multiply 10 and 9. Then write 10 and 9. Third we multiply 7 and 100. Then write 7 and 100. And last multiply 7 and 9. Okay. Then 10 into 100. First we write the number 1 and how many zeros here? There are 3 zeros. So our answer also included 3 0. Then we write the answer as 1000 plus 10 into 9. 9 tens are, yes, 90. Then write the number 90. Then 7 into 100 equal 1 sevens are 7. Then write 7. And how many zeros here? There are 2 0. In the answer we also put 2 0. Then we get 700 plus 9 sevens are, yes, 9 sevens are 63. Then write the answer 63. Then we are adding these numbers together. Then we get the answer as 1853. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Next we will meet with another topic. Children, stay home. Bye.